Hi, Mark Hayward here again. There's been a huge amount of interest in the Fire Pit Pods video, and people have been asking how to make them. So here's quick, easy, and fast instructions. Plus, I put some links for materials in the description of the video, and if you'd like to help support me so I can continue to make cool stuff like this, I've got my Patreon link there as well. So let's get started. So this is really all you need. Reflectix, a chair, and 3 binder clips. I've got a 10-foot roll. I'm going to cut it in half, clip it to the chair, and we're done. You can use a knife or scissors to cut the Reflectix. The roll I bought is 4 feet wide. I'm going to cut it 5 feet long. All you have to do is set the chair up, put the Reflectix behind it vertically, clip the 2 lower corners to the legs of the chair, then bring the top 2 corners together, overlap them, and clip them together with the 3rd clip. Depending on the geometry of your chair, you may need a pole to help support the pod. I've got a garden pole and a driveway pole here. I'll just put one between the chair and the Reflectix, and that'll take care of it. We had our second fire last night with the pods, and it worked out great. The temperature got all the way down to 30 degrees and everyone was comfortable, except for our toes. So put on some big warm boots, put on some fluffy socks, or just hang out and wait until the next technological innovation we come up with that'll help keep your feet warm. Thanks for watching. I hope these pods make your life better. It'd be a big help to me if you would like the video and subscribe. And if you'd like to help support me in my efforts to make more cool stuff, check out my Patreon link, which is in the video description.